Today we will learn how to make Christmas-themed patterns with Patterned AI. Christmas is just around the corner, so it's a perfect opportunity to add festive touch to your product line, elevate your marketing materials, and create unique seasonal items such as wrapping paper and holiday cards. And with Patterned AI software, it's very easy, beginner-friendly, and we're going to walk you through the simple steps of how you can create your unique Christmas pattern. Today we will make 3 different types of Christmas patterns, and to start working on our designs, we are going to go to our dashboard, and there we open our text prompt. To generate a perfect text prompt, you can simply go to ChatGPT and describe the design that you want to make. So we're going to head to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 3 different prompts for us, and then we will choose the one that we like the best. For our first pattern, I suggest to make a traditional Christmas pattern with the holly branches, cranberries on a dark background, and maybe some snow in the background. And we will start with our first prompt. We're going to select non-style. That means that no style will be applied to our pattern. And then if we like the result, we can apply different styles to it. As you can see, it looks quite festive already. I really like the first one and I like the second one. Let's keep it in our mind and try the second pattern. This one looks a bit more frosty and wintry, but I think it's a little bit too dark. Like the background that ChatGPT suggested maybe a bit too black. I imagined something like navy or dark red. But let's try the third prompt and see which one is our favorite. I really like this process because it's very creative. You never know what AI will generate for you as a prompt, so you are not quite sure what exact results you will get. And you can see what we have is dark green background and some snowflakes. It looks quite vintage. My personal favorite was the first one, the navy one. So we can try the same prompt, but with a watercolor style and see the result that we will get. And those all look really good. Like you can click on any of them and see how they will look on finished products. If you click on the pattern, it takes us to this page where you can download the final file in a small and large resolution. You can also correct the size of it and see how it will look on final products. For example, look how cute it looks like as a wrapping paper, but also as a phone case that's some festive feeling. And a tote bag can be quite cute as well. And notebooks look always good with botanical patterns. You can also generate more options and then choose the one that you like the best, but I'm already happy with this one, so let's move on to the next design. For our second design, I suggest to make a simple snowflake pattern. It's a perfect Christmas pattern as it evokes the feelings of winter, but it's also very intricate and quite decorative, so it can be used for a range of products. So let's ask ChatGPT to generate 3 different prompts for us for this type of design. And let's try now putting our new prompt into Patterned AI and see what results we're going to get. I quite like the results, and I can see that, it definitely follow the instructions of making the snowflakes hand-drawn and very intricate. I think this one looks quite good, but let's try some other prompts. This is our second prompt. Let's see what results we're going to get. And you can see it's still quite similar style, but for example, this one looks quite good as well, where you have like different shapes of snowflakes, a bit darker pattern. I think it can really work. And this one in dark gray. So here we can play with a lot of different styles. As you can see, we have quite a lot of ones. Some of them work better with different types of patterns. So you will learn it through experimentation. Typically with Christmas and other festive patterns, watercolor is a safe go. You can, like, almost everything looks good in watercolor. But something interesting to play with can be ink print, for example. Let's give it a try. It didn't change the result that much. I think the snowflakes are a bit more well defined, but it still looks quite good. Let's try one more style out of curiosity. Maybe origami, that would be unexpected, probably. Oh, we got like literal origami for snowflakes. That can be quite cute as well. And you can see all our results here again. And I think we got some good results with this one, but let's move on to our third and final design for today. So for our final and third design, I suggest to do the most classic Christmas design ever that you can imagine is the design with the Christmas trees. Because what is the Christmas without a Christmas tree? So this is the pattern, this is the prompt that I will ask AI to generate. It will be a classic Christmas pattern, vintage looking, in faded colors with elegant trees. And we have 3 different prompts that we can now test and see which one we like the most. And we're going to go with our first prompt. We're going to choose no styles applied yet, but then we can play around and see which ones can be interesting to apply to this prompt. And yeah, for example, here you can see like this one will be a really good one to use. But let's try our second prompt, although I really like this one already. Okay, and our second prompt. And we could see the results are completely different. I really like this element of surprise. I quite like it. It looks very fairy tale like. This can definitely be used already. Okay, let's try one more and then we make our final decision. Okay, here we go. And our third and final prompt. Yeah, this one is quite festive as well. Let's go to our history and see what did we generate before. And we can click it and go to our favorite page where we can see the final design on again, wrapping paper. I think it looks great. I would do like a medium size for it. Maybe a bit smaller if we do the tote bag. You can just play around with the sizes and see which one you like. Quite festive socks. So here is a tip. Let's say you need a Christmas pattern, but you don't know even how to start describing to ChatGPT what you want to create. So just head over to Pinterest, type in Christmas pattern, and you will see so many beautiful examples from different talented illustrators. And just use it as an inspiration. For example, you go through this and you see that you like watercolor gingerbread cookies, and just like describe, okay, ChatGPT, please create me like Christmas pattern with gingerbread cookies, or yeah, like Christmas trees in a hand-drawn manner. There are so many beautiful examples, and you can try and play with them. And hopefully you're gonna really enjoy creating your Christmas designs with patterned AI. Thank you for watching.